Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this stunning bird bath. I love this. So look how cute this is. This is a little bird that is attached, and this is all metal. Everything is metal. Look how gorgeous this is. I love that. The greens, the purples, the blues, stunning. Maybe this is a little more pink. It's iridescent. It's beautiful. Trust me, gorgeous. This is the back. And what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew all of these pieces. This is so easy to put together because it comes with this collapsible base. I love this because this will make it so easy to store in the winter. You just take it down and you collapse it, and then you are ready to store it for the winter. In the middle here, you have this sort of middle spike. That's not enough to hold it in place, but it comes with these additional spikes. They're gonna hold it in the ground. The details on this are so beautiful. You have the painted green leaves and they have the texture on them. So you can see this is from the front, and then on the back it has the stem attached. You have this copper colored base. It's again metal, sturdy and stunning. So let's put this together. I am going to line this up on the base, and then I'm going to screw this back on, and I'll show you that in just a second. And you can see I screwed on the little nuts there. There you go. So let's go put it outside and see what it looks like. This pedestal bird bath is so easy to install, and it's made of such high quality materials. It is metal with a rust-proof coating, so it's going to withstand all of the weather for years to come. It's just great to give the birds a place to come and drink and take a bath. You could also use this as a feeder. And I think that the folding nature of this for winter is awesome. So this cast iron bird bath can be just a really beautiful, elegant decoration for your garden, or it can create an oasis for the wildlife. Definitely check this one out.